Electronic Multi-Measuring Instrument ME96SS Version B. How to install. The contents are as follows. Unpacking. Open the packing box. Unpacking the instrument accessories, user's manual and 2 attachment lugs with a screw. Check all the contents. Take out the instrument itself. Be careful not to drop the instrument itself. Remove the instrument from the bag. Only ME96SS EBMB. Remove the protective film after installation to prevent scratches on the display. Installation. Temporary fixing of product. Install the 2 attachment lugs on the top and bottom of the unit. Temporarily fixing the screws at this time makes it easier to install. Final tightening of product. Tighten the screws of the attachment lugs to fix them to the panel. The recommended torque is 0.3 Nm to 0.5 Nm. Also, tighten the 2 screws evenly. Temporary fixing of terminals. Connect the wiring to the instrument. Use crimp-type terminals. Applicable crimp-type terminals are for M3 screw with an outer diameter of 6.0 mm or less. Connect the other wires in the same way. Final tightening of product and remove sheet. Tightening torque is 0.5 Nm. Be sure to securely tighten the terminal screws to the terminal block. After wiring, check that there is no wrong wiring. Close the terminal cover. Before starting operation, remove the protection sheet of the LCD display.